Struggling to see the real patterns hidden in your customer data? MAPOG helps you segment and filter customers instantly, so you can spot patterns, gaps, and priorities in real time. Start by heading to story.mapog.com and click Create New Map. Choose Category as your map template, then add a title and description like Electricity Outage and Meter Allocation, and save it. Next, go to Process Custom Location and select Add by uploading CSV/Excel. Click Select Custom Location Template Settings icon, then hit Add More Custom Location Template. Name your template and set the geometry to point. Now add key attributes like connection type, meter type, and average usage, kilowatt hour, etc. Click Save, then upload your CSV or Excel file. Match each attribute to its Excel column. Choose coordinates or WKT for placement, and hit Submit. Once points are plotted, use Group by Attributes to separate points by fields like connection type, meter type, or outage duration. For example, grouping by connection type instantly shows commercial, industrial, and residential categories. Next, apply filters such as meter type, household size, or payment status, and click Apply for refine results. This layered filtering lets you ask precise questions, like how many domestic connections use digital meters with payment status as pending, revealing clusters and trends in real time. To make your map clear, open the Layer panel and add Layer Style. Go to Category section and choose an attribute like connection type, assign colors, and enable the legend so viewers can interpret instantly. Useful for retail teams to spot buying patterns, healthcare to analyze records by age or treatment, and finance to uncover clusters in real time. MAPOG turns raw data into clarity, helping every sector make sharper, data-driven decisions. Head over to story.mapog.com and start in minutes. Need help with styling, presentation flow, or anything GIS related? Drop us a line at support@mapog.com.